In the previous class you have learned few formulas, derivations. Now we'll try to apply that formulas. We'll start with how to convert one of the trigonometric function into another one. Now sine inverse of 2 by 5 is given to you and you have to express as tan inverse. I'm just sharing the simple way up like this. Always make a triangular arrangement, right triangle, and I'm just calling that sine inverse of 2 by 5 is nothing but theta. So I can get sine theta is nothing but 2 by 5. So I'm just putting theta over here. So this becomes 2, this becomes 5. Sine over here. Now apply the Pythagoras theorem. And can we get this value? It is nothing but, this is 25 minus 4 is nothing but like this. From this expression, get the value of tan theta. What is tan theta in this figure? Tan theta in this figure is nothing but 2 by root 21. Therefore, what is theta I am asking? Then you will be answering me tan inverse of 2 by root 21. Look here. This theta and this theta, they are same now. If you are comparing, it will be nothing but 2 by root 21. This is a better way to convert any trigonometric function. Always draw the figure and get the things. Now, sec inverse of 3 by 2. So what you should do? Sec inverse of 3 by 2 is nothing but theta. Sec theta will be nothing but 3 by 2. Now draw the figure here. Here again 90. This is sec theta. If you are getting confused, then cos theta you write. Cos theta is nothing but 2 by 3. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. Then you can get this value. It is 9 minus 4. It is nothing but root 5. From this figure, whatever it is asked to you, that you can just pick up. What is asked in the cot? So what is cot of theta from this figure? It is nothing but 2 by root 5. So theta will be nothing but cot inverse of. So here it will be 2 by root 5 will come. So it is very easy to convert from one form to another form. Look here. Tan inverse of 3 by 4. So what I should write? Tan theta is nothing but 3 by 4. Okay. Now again draw the figure. Here theta I should write. Tan is nothing but 3 over here 4 with respect to this theta. If you know the Pythagoras, you know this one. If I ask you what is that is cot of this theta, cot will be nothing but over here 4 by 3. So cot inverse of x is nothing but 4 by 3. Now I am just sharing one more fact. There was no need of this fact to use while calculating this. Now you may be asking why I am saying like this. The reason being that we have learned one more remark. Tan inverse of x is equal to cot inverse of 1 by x. So you can use this remark and answer the question also. Look here. Tan inverse of 3 by 4 is nothing but cot inverse of reciprocal of that. But why we have not did over here in the previous case? Because here sine and tan relation was there. We know this reciprocal remark only sine with cos. This sine inverse will be equal to cosec inverse of 1 by x. Tan inverse is nothing but cot inverse of 1 by x. Therefore, if you don't know this remark, this is tan and cot. Tan inverse and cot inverse. So that way only you can use, not in all the cases. Okay. Next, suppose some question is asked. Simplify this. Tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus tan inverse of 3 by 4 like this. Now you have learned previously the remark of addition. So it is nothing but tan inverse of 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 1 by 2 into 3 by 4. Addition you can do and keep this term as it is. Now you know how to simplify this and get the answer.